Welcome to lesson 7 of this module. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a guest posting campaign. This strategy can be really exciting because over time you can get featured on major sites in your industry, whether that's Forbes or Men's Health or whatever's in your niche. In fact, before we begin, you might be a little bit skeptical and might be thinking something like, who would accept my guest post? Who would care what I have to say on this topic? Well, last week I happened to speak with a media expert who is regularly on CNN as well as other massively popular websites and magazines and what have you. And to quote him, the only requirement to write for Forbes is that you can type. Basically, if you can create awesome content that will help another site, then they definitely want you to. And it can be a lot easier to do than you think. Okay, so what do I actually mean by guest posting? Well, if you're not familiar with the term, guest posting is the process of submitting and publishing your content on other websites or blogs. It's a win-win for both you and the owner of the other website because they get free awesome content and you get high-quality backlinks and referral traffic. There are also some other great side benefits because guest posting also helps you increase your credibility and your reputation when you get published on a variety of big authority websites in your niche. At AMZ Affiliate Bootcamp, guest posting is actually our favorite tactic to grow backlinks and organic traffic for a new website because it's very effective and very scalable. Let's walk through the 6 specific steps involved in the guest posting process. Step 1 is to find guest post targets. In this step, you need to use a number of prospecting methods that we'll go through to research and create a list of sites that accept guest posting. Step 2 is to filter and to separate the prospects into tiers, which means you'll need to narrow down the list to only the high quality sites and separate them into tiers so you can know which ones are the most effective to focus on first. That way you know which are most worth your time. Step 3 is to warm up your prospects. This step is actually extremely crucial to increase the success of your outreach campaign. The idea is to engage with the site owners and build some kind of rapport with them before you send the first outreach email so they can be more likely to accept your pitch. Step 4 is to pitch guest post ideas and handle any replies. So after you've warmed up your prospects, it's time to send out your official pitch. Remember though that not all the sites that you reach out to will say yes. Of course a certain percentage will say no or not respond. But if you get a no, don't take it too personally and just keep reaching out. Step 5, get your content written. So if you get a yes, then you need to get your content written as fast and as high of a quality content as possible. You can write it yourself or hire writers to do it for you. And then finally, the last step, step 6, is to send it out for publication. After the content's finished, follow up with the site owners and send your content to them for them to publish. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do each step with live examples.